Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start now, remove any case or screen protector, and wipe the display so touch works reliably. Once done, force restart the iPhone. For iPhone 8 and later press volume up, then volume down, then hold side until the Apple logo appears. This clears temporary firmware hangs that usually cause an unresponsive lock screen. Make sure the battery is above 20% before proceeding, and test the touchscreen immediately after reboot to see if responsiveness returns. Once restart didn't fix it, connect the iPhone to a computer and open Finder or iTunes. Put the device into recovery mode by using the same button sequence used for force restart, but keep holding until you see the recovery screen. When the computer prompts, choose Update first. That reinstalls iOS without erasing data. This step resolves corrupted system files that produce a frozen lock screen. If Update fails twice, proceed to restore, but no restore erases the device, so have a backup. If recovery mode restore failed, use DFU restore as the final software-only fix. It reinstalls firmware and iOS from a clean state. You must back up beforehand if possible because DFU erases everything. Follow the exact timing for entering DFU based on your model. Computer should detect a device in recovery without showing the Apple logo. After the DFU restore, set up and test the lock screen. If touch remains unresponsive, make sure to consult Apple or an authorized repair provider.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.